Hello, Scott Austin here from Jade Puma, and I'm going to walk you through the store redesign that we did for Ortho Bracing. They're on the Shopify platform. We upgraded them using the Turbo theme, and let's start off with the color scheme. They had a new logo made by a graphic designer, and it had this very cool blue and gray color scheme to it. So we pivoted everything on colors off of that. So you can see, most of it's a white site, so the content pops to the foreground. But where we are using color, we're either using that blue or the gray, or shades and pigments of those two colors. And you can see here we have in the top bar a free shipping promotion, which was just some liquid code that we added into the Turbo theme. So let me show you how that works to start off with. If I go into a product and add it to the cart, notice this product is $76 and there's free shipping on orders over $85. So if I add that to the cart, it now up here says only $8.10 until free shipping. So if I change that quantity to be 2, now my cart size is going to be greater than the $85, and up here it says congratulations, you have free shipping. So that's how we're promoting free shipping in the store. And for the main navigation, what we're having is there's a bunch of different ways to browse this product catalog. So customers will come in looking for a specific brand, or they want something for their back, or whatever way they want to find the product. So we gave them 3 different ways to do it. The first one is they can shop by brand. So on this list of collection pages, we're showing all the brands on the site, because a lot of times they'll have a doctor recommend, hey, I want you to go get the Breg products or the Comfort Track or whatever. So the doctor will recommend by brand, so without the customer to come in and see things by brand. Or we do it by product types. Maybe they're going to do a cold therapy system for post-surgery recovery, or maybe they want braces or compression sleeves, so they can look at it by product type. And they can also do it by body area. And here we list out all the body areas that they support. So if you're looking for something, for your wrist, excuse me, you can see all the products, whether it's braces or cold therapy, that are good for the wrist. And on each of the collection pages, you'll see that we have the filters in place. So the best place to see those is on the whole catalog. And you can see, we're using the filters along the similar lines of these top-level navs. So you can filter by body area, you can filter by product type or brands. So you could start off by looking at brands Breg and then saying, well, I want to see everything that's a brace. So you can narrow down to the products you're looking for pretty easily, regardless of which way you enter that shopping experience. You can start by brand, product type, or body area, and then filter on the other 2 to find what you're looking for. And let's just go into a product page. So we're using Judge Me for the reviews. And in the past, this product had multiple products across the catalog for each one of these pad types. And what we did is we combined all of them into one product using variants. So the reviews from the past, those 28 reviews, were spread across 10 or so different products. And using Judge Me, we made groups for reviews, review groups, and that allowed us to consolidate all the reviews from those different products into this one product. Now, an interesting thing here is that they're selling medical products, and there's certain terms and conditions you have to accept before you can purchase them. So the way we decided to do that is, you'll notice if I click add to cart here, it won't add it to the cart. I've got JavaScript in place that says you must agree with terms and conditions of sales by checking the box above the add to cart button. So here I can see, the checkbox, and I can actually click on it and see what the terms and conditions are. It opens that up in a new window, and the customer can read through the legal policy, and then they can check it. And now that that's checked, they add it to cart, and that product can get added to the cart. Let's go back into that product page and show you some more about the product page. So we've got icons that are showing up. We show the free shipping icon for any product that's already over $85. And we have tags that allow this SHA, HSA, and FSA approved icon to show up. And we also use tabs heavily in this because there's a lot of content for a lot of these products. So you can see here we've broken up the content excuse me, into these different tabs. Now if I go back to the cart, I also want to show you something here. Is in the cart we've got this subtle text, but it actually works really well on the mobile phone that says, okay, order now and we'll ship it on Monday. Because these are medical supplies for people who are recovering from injuries, when they get it is really important. So the company usually will send out the product the same day you order it. So if you order before noon East Coast time, they're going to ship it out the same day. But if you order afternoon, they're going to ship it out the next business day. So we've got JavaScript in place. Right now, as I'm recording this, I'm on the West Coast, 3 o'clock in the afternoon on a Saturday. And the JavaScript says, oh, it's Saturday. This isn't going to ship until Monday. But if it was Monday and it was noon on East Coast or 11 o'clock on East Coast, it would say it'll still ship on Monday. And then at noon, it would say order will now ship on Tuesday. So we've got the JavaScript in place to let the customer know when that is going to ship out for them. And we've also got a coronavirus notice in here. It's in the middle of the pandemic, or the shelter-at-home crisis we're going through is when I'm recording this. So we just have a notification that says, hey, we're still open even during the coronavirus crisis. So if you place an order, it will get fulfilled rather quickly. And then you can see here on the checkout, we have a branded checkout experience. So we're carrying that theming through the whole site. And now let's just go back to the footer and show you some of the evergreen pages. Here's the contact page. FAQ. Only one FAQ at the moment. Notification for Medicare patients. And a summary of the reviews. And in the footer, we've also got the link to their social presence. Lots of reviews. Lots and lots of reviews. In the footer, we also have the link to the social networks. So that is the ortho bracing site redesign that we did. And as I said, that's done in the Turbo theme. Thanks for watching.